Hey guys, this is the Tree Addict here. It is February 11th, and it seems like it's already spring here in Florida, and a lot of my trees are already waking up and pushing out buds and leaves and blooms, even. Um, so today I need to get some trimming done. Here's my twin trunk money tree. This was a gift. So I know this isn't like really standard bonsai. Um, but again, it was a gift from someone I love. So, all right, here's my pomegranate. I need to kind of even this up because I was really worried about chopping it all when I did this part of it. I kind of chopped it pretty far back, and it was like the beginning of winter, so I wasn't real confident that I wanted to take all of the foliage off. So I really did like half of the plant, which I'm sure that probably was not smart, but somehow it survived, and now it's starting to push a lot of brand new growth. So I'm going to go ahead and fully chop this and even it up now that I. So this is my oldest ficus that I own. This one is I've had it for I don't know 8 to 10 years maybe. I haven't done a whole lot with it. Just kept it alive, give it a haircut every now and then. But now I think I'm going to go ahead and try and style the top, the canopy, so that it kind of turns this chunky trunk into something a little bit nicer, something that actually resembles bonsai instead of whatever this is. So I'm going to try and lower the foliage down to this level in here, hopefully. I've really just been putting it off because it's basically just almost like a trunk chop, but it's spring now and everything is pushing. So I'm going to go ahead and cross my fingers and chop this guy. Here's my second Gmelina or parrot's beak. Okay, this one is a lavender star flower, or I believe Grewia. So these have some pretty gorgeous flowers if you can get it to happen. And they're almost like a ground cover vinish type. And I have read that the trunks thicken extremely slowly. I didn't really want this tree, but my local nursery, the guy pretty much like pushed it on me because he said, "Well, I know if it goes home with you, it'll be taken good care of," and he gave me a big discount on it. So, I wasn't gonna say no. So now I have this tree, and it needs trimmed.